You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in English. The top word is pronounced sick, as in I'm not feeling well today. I'm sick. Sick, meaning ill. The bottom word means something that is large, thick. Now you have to pronounce the TH with your tongue between your teeth. Th, th, okay? Put your tongue on your top teeth, at the bottom of your top teeth. Thick. All the two words have the similar sound, sick and thick. It's just the first consonant, first sound is different. Sick or thick. Can you hear the difference? Sick or thick. Are you able to pronounce those two correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.